The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Project Fi here. So I'm on fannymoney.com here, and it says Project Fi subscribers with their bad Nexus 5X are receiving the Moto X4 Android One as a replacement. So if you guys have a Nexus 5X and it doesn't work for whatever reason, and you're on Project Fi, you're getting a Moto X4 Android One as a replacement phone. The Moto X4 is a newer phone. Obviously, it came out last year. It's a nice looking phone. Yeah, I got to see the picture of the phone right there. So let's go check this out and see what it has to say about it, guys. Alright. It says Google's hybrid MVNO Project Fi users used to offer the Nexus 5X to its subscribers. However, a nasty bug led several units to boot loop, frustrating owners of those models that suffered with this eviction. Project Fi subscribers with a faulty Nexus 5X and device protection plan, which costs us $5 a month, were first given a replacement unit. Then, when Google ran out of inventory of replacement units, it offered subscribers turning in their back phone just $100 in Google Play credit or a $53 check. Considering that Project Fi subscribers paid $350 for the Nexus 5X, those two options did not seem fair. So it says here that Google used to offer, Project Fi used to offer the Nexus 5X. Now that friend obviously is discontinued. They're saying that it's a nasty bug or whatever. Says that the Nexus 5X boot looped. I'm not surprised because that's what every fucking LG flagship phone out there boot loops, every fucking one of them, except for the V30. As far as I know, the V30 has not boot loop as far as I know. So every fucking LG flagship has boot loop. The V20, V10, the G5, G4, G3, G2. The Nexus 5X here, as it's saying here. And that's not an isolated issue. Every fucking LG flagship has that issue, dude. It's not just this phone, it's every LG phone. I don't know why that is. And it says that when Google ran out of inventory of the Nexus 5X, it offers subscribers who turn in their phones just $100 in Google Play credit or a $53 check. I wouldn't have taken either of that shit, because the Nexus 5X was $350 at that time or whatever. Says that now it appears that Google finally figured out how unfair it was being a Project Fi subscriber with the Nexus 5X has been complaining to customer service for some time about the paltry amount of money that he was offered for turning in this defective device. He called Project Fi again to see what could be done and was sent the Moto X4 Android One as a replacement for his faulty Nexus 5X. Considering that the MVNO sells the Moto X4 Android One for $399, finally this Project Fi subscriber received something with a appropriate value for turning this damaged phone. If you're a Project Fi customer and still own the boot looping Nexus 5X, you need to call customer service and demand a new Moto X4 Android One handset in exchange for your non-working handset. If you already received a $100 Google Play credit or a $53 check, it might be too late. Especially if you already used the credit or cashed the check. It wouldn't hurt to try, however, but since the worst thing that Project Fi can say is no. So if you guys got a Nexus 5 that does not work, if you guys got a Nexus 5X that does not work on Project Fi, you guys need to call customer service and demand that you want a replacement phone and tell them that you want it in Moto X4 Android One. The Moto X4 is a nice phone, as you guys can see right pictures up here at the top right here. That's what the phone looks like right here. Nice looking phone. And what the fuck is that head? That's what the phone looks like. I see like two holes, one on the front, one on the back. So yeah. This is the Android 1 version of the Moto X4, which it probably has the Android 1 launcher on that. So if you guys been wanting to try out the Android 1 launcher, but you didn't want to download it, get the Android 1 Moto X4 and try it on that. You guys can't download the you guys can't download the Android 1 launcher from the Play Store. I wish you could, because if you could, I would have already downloaded and tried the Android 1 launcher, but I'm not downloading it from a third party. I'm not doing that shit, because I download all my shit from the Play Store. So yeah guys, so basically anyways guys, so if you guys got a damaged Nexus 5, it doesn't work for whatever reason, call Project 5 customer service and tell them that you want a Moto X4 Android 1. Oh man, a lot of people are having issues with this phone. With the Nexus 5X, it's boot looping. Not fucking surprised, dude. Not fucking surprised, because LG was getting sued. But I think that lawsuit has been tossed. So people who had, these affected devices are not getting compensated for nothing. Like I said, the Nexus 5X has boot loop issue. I'm pretty sure the Nexus 5 has it too by LG. I think that one has it. The Nexus 4 probably has it too. The G4, G5, V20, V10, G3, G2. I mean, every flagship phone you can think from LG has this problem. The lower end LG phones like the Stylo 2, the Stylo 3, the Stylo 3 Plus, the G Stylo, phones like that don't have this issue. But flagship phones always have, LG flagship phones always have the boot loop issue. And it's a fucking pain in the ass, man. Oh man, yeah, if you guys got a damaged Nexus 5X on Project 5, call customer service and tell them that you want a Moto X4 Android 1. The Moto X4 is obviously a newer device, it has better specs. And I think it's waterproof, isn't it? Ain't the Moto X4 waterproof? I'm not sure if it is or not. I'm not sure if it is or not. I could be wrong about that, don't quote me on that. The Moto X4 is a nice looking phone, as you guys can see right here. It has like a, I'm not sure what color Project 5 has. I'm not sure if they got this color or what. But the color they're showing here on the phone right now, it's like a silverish color. It's like a glossy back to it. It looks really nice, man. And it looks like it has a front-facing camera flash, so that's pretty good. There's your Motorola clock on that. That's a win. That's a nice phone, man. If you're getting a Moto X4 in place of a Nexus 5X, take the Moto X4. Take it. It's a nice phone. It has nice specs. It's gonna get Android Oreo if it hasn't gotten it already. The Nexus 5X won't get Oreo. It won't get it unless there's a custom ROM for it. But it won't get Android Oreo officially, because the Nexus 5X is old as shit. The Nexus 5X is a nice phone, but no Oreo for the 5X from LG, alright? So yeah, this shit sucks, you know what I'm saying? But hey, no phone's perfect. But it's a pain in the ass that people are still having to deal with LG's boot looping bullshit, man. Because like I said, just about every flagship from LG that you can name has the boot loop issue. Lower end LG phones like the Stylo line, stuff like that, they don't have the boot loop issue. I don't know why LG phones have boot loop issues. I don't know why. They need to fix that shit, dude. But like I said, guys, if you get your 5X replaced, you're getting it replaced with the Moto X4, which is a very nice phone. It's a way better phone than the Nexus 5X. It's way better. It has better specs. It's getting Oreo if it hasn't gotten it already. The Moto X4 is getting Oreo, not the 5X, unless it's a custom ROM. But yeah, good luck with that. But yeah, guys, if you guys haven't called Project 5 customer service yet, and you guys got a Nexus 5X, I suggest you guys call and tell them that your Nexus 5X is not working, and tell them that you want a Moto Export Android 1 edition ASAP, alright? And they should send you one. And if they don't send you one, tell them that you saw an article on PhoneInternet.com talking about that shit. So, yeah. It just sucks, man, that people has to get their fucking LG phones replaced because of the boot looping issue that's still going on with older LG phones. And I said every flagship phone from LG has it, the V20 down. So yeah, man, LG fucking pisses me off with that boot looping shit. It's fucking ridiculous. They need to fix it. So yeah, guys. So yeah, so this is a great deal, man. If you guys got a damaged Nexus 5X, call Project 5 and get yourself a Moto X4. It's a fucking win, man. It's a better phone. It's gonna get ordered if it hasn't got already, and I think it's waterproof if I'm not mistaken. And it has a front-facing camera flash. I think that's the camera flash right there on the front. So that's a win, and it has dual cameras. So yeah, nice looking phone, nice specs, and hell, the Moto X4 is a way better phone than the Nexus 5X. Even though the Nexus 5X is a nice looking phone, the Moto X4 has way better specs, and it came out last year. So if you guys enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. PJ, come subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.